Okay. Hmm. So I'm still ending up at 6 somehow. Right? Let me see here. So my question is, what happened there, you know? Um, just do like a... So it should have triggered there. It didn't. It definitely should have triggered there, but it didn't. So row is 4 here. Oh. So row minus board size. So this is 0, 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, 5. So 4 minus 5 would be 1. But that's not what's happening. Row is 4 here. And then we go, so it would be here, 1, 2. So I'm a little confused why I'm getting row equals 4, actually. 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inserted row is board size minus 1. Oh, is this wrong? If I don't do that, let's try now. Two. Now board size minus 1, 5 minus 2 is 3. It's not less than 3. So now I should look at 0, 1, 2, column 0. So 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what this should be. Obviously it's not because we didn't end. So now let's do this and see if we're making it past that. No. So what is this? What is this? I like. It's backwards. Calc is 3. Calc equals 3. Oh, I didn't change inside of here. All right, one more time. Okay, so this is done. Let's try one more time by doing and then oh, nice, it worked. I didn't even catch that. Okay. Okay, so we finally, I think, have a working vertical win 2 days later. That was annoying. So now let's look at this one, which will probably have all the same, or at least similar problems. So we do 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. No, it doesn't work. That's nice. So let's do this. Restart this. Oh, that might explain why that didn't work. All right, it's being silly, that's fine. So start. Well, start is 0, is less than or equal to column, which in this case is 3, and end is less than or equal to board 0.size, should be good. So row oh, I wonder what row I'm getting. Okay, so let's look at that. It should be correct though. It should be this. So it should be 0. And then start, which is 0. So that should be this. And then we look at +1, +2, +3. If start is greater than or equal to 0. All right, let's try again. Let's look at what the row is. Row is 5. Row 5, 5, 0. That should be... That should be true. So start is 0, end is 3. That seems right to me. I'm almost positive this should be checking. All right, so now let's run a debug. See, wait, how did I get there? How is start 0? How is start 0? Start is -3. How could I be here? Start is less than or equal to column. Oh, so this is the final piece. Oh, I see. So it went across. So it worked. Okay, okay. Yeah, it went across. It's looping twice now. I see. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. But the last one isn't there yet. Has to check again and again. Okay. And now. Ah. Oh, I see. And then I set it to false. Okay. All right. So instead of this, let's do if Okay, so now what if I do 1, 1, 3, 3. Let's do 4, 4, 2. Okay, so that worked, and now let's try one more time with 1, 4, no, 2, 3, 3, 5. Oh, okay. Yeah, I noticed that before. I forgot to check that. Okay, so that should fix that. Okay, seems to be working then. All right, so I think this one is now working. Now, let's see what's going on here. This is gonna need like so much cleanup. All right, let's see. One, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4. Shit. 4. Tom's turn. 3. Bob's turn. 4. Tom's turn. 5. 4. All right. Obviously that didn't work. But we're not getting errors at least. So let's keep going. 6, 6. Cool. Okay, I'm not getting out of bounds errors at least. That's nice. Now we just need to figure out what's going on. So let's focus first only on the right side, right? Oh! I'm probably doing the same thing as I was up there. Let's do this. If return true, turn false. Okay, so let's try this again. I bet it's gonna work. Did I make a board? How did I do this? Can I do this faster? This is like ridiculous. Game. We have print board. Where's the do I have like an in setup? I didn't do this well. I did not set this up to be easily tested. Maybe, look, I got 10 minutes left. I have a feeling this might be okay. So let's just try 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4. Didn't work. Okay, so because it didn't work, I don't want to have to keep putting all these in. Game setup should take in a 6x7 board. So val test board equals list of, and we're gonna do blank strings, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, comma. Okay. So now if I do O and star, test board should go in here. And now we do, where's setup? This is going to maybe get a test board. Let's do a knit board. List of string, and mentions trim. So this is the inputs, row column, valid column, board clear board, list row to in, no. Oh, add all. This is it. Although I think what I can do is just if init board is not equal null, is not null, then board equals init board. I think I can do that. Else this this is that. Needs to be mutable. And let's actually do that. All right, and now board. All right, so now if I do this, Tom, Bob, I have one too many. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. 6 by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. All right, so now I can do this. O star wait, we need to do one here, then the other star goes. Now I do this. I do star here, O here, star here, and then that should be the O. So stop and rerun. Tom, Bob, there, and now I just have to do Tom's turn, which is 4, and I should have 4 in a row. Okay. All right, so now 4 minutes left. We're a little bit closer. We at least have a better testing feedback loop here, because now what I can do is check to see if these are even close, right? Actually, here, let's do this. so start row. Okay, so let's run this now. So the start row in this case is -1. Oh, don't I have to? Yeah, I'm doing the same stuff I did up here. Right? What am I doing here? Why is start row -1 here? -3. Because I went from here up. That's wrong. It's not -3. It's board size. I don't think that's right either. Hold on. How did I do it up here? It should just be the row, right? Oh, I see. I'm trying to get it. So this is actually +3 because it's going down as I go up, right? I think that might honestly fix it. Hold on. So start row's 5, which would be here. That's right. And start column is 0. So that's actually correct. 5, 0. I like that. And then if I'm looking at this correctly, start row. So if we get here, right? If we get here, we need to figure that part out. But if we get here, it's start row +1, column +1, +1, +2, +2, +3, +3. That seems good to me. And then 0, 1, 2, yeah. And then column 3 +1's 4, yeah. Okay, so the initial coordinates are fixed now, and I'm out of time, but are these checks correct? All right, that's what we got to do next. That was a very good 30 minutes, I think. Nice. That's right. I think those start and finish were correct. Let's see. So if I look at this, start column is less than or equal to column, which would be end column, and it's not. Oh, yes it is. Start column, end column. 0 and 3. And then start row. Is less than or equal to row. So I think I had this backwards before, so I think it needs to be like that. Try this again. Hmm. It's possible that that needs to happen. Maybe it's this, where end row is less than the board size minus 1. And then we add to that row end row Oh, there it is. Bro, that was nuts. I just stared at this thing until I figured it out. God. I literally was just staring at it until I could figure it out. Okay, so that's to the right. Let's do... Let's do this real quick. Look at that. It didn't work. Shoot. So if I look at this, when I placed that, start row was 8. How did I get 8? 5 minus 3 plus 3? I did plus 3 here. Oh, look at that. This is also wrong. So row needs to go up, and column has to go right. And that would accomplish that. Tom 1. Nice. Okay, so that fixed that. Oh, I think this is going to need to be 2 different functions, right? If this is moving up and to the right, how could I check the left side? This would need to swap. diagonal right? I didn't change this one. What happened? Hmm. Hmm. Can it be all of these at once, though? So it's... Okay, so I'm starting to see a pattern here. It's 0, row in bounds equals 0, dot, dot, board dot size minus 1, dot in contains start row. Okay, I think I can just get rid of all this, dude. It's so crazy. Kill me, bro. Oh, it's a diagonal leftward now. Okay. That's better. I don't know if I totally bricked it, but... Wait, what am I getting? Start rows 1. How did start row become 1? It's up here. And end row is 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Start column is 5. Wrong. End column is 2. So not wrong, but I'm still looking at the right, it seems like. So if I started here at 2, I put this here. So now column would technically start out here. Then it would look at this one, and this one. No good, so it should look at this one next, because row plus 1, column. Interesting. If we want to move to the right all the time, then we always do that. Okay, so we try again. Interesting. Oh, I switched these too. So start column is greater than or equal to column, no. And then start row is less than or equal to row. That's certainly correct, yeah. Okay. Oh. Oh! Whoa, nice. Let's go, dude. What? Bro, we figured that out. Woo! What? That's so boring, but okay. So this is where I was collecting everything. Let's see. We have the game. So funnily enough, we probably want now right? So I could store this information. And then use it when I call reset. So that's the board. We'd probably have this go here. We'd probably use something like this. Right? Probably need this to come here. Oh, geez. Yeah. And then setup needs. So this is what I was trying to get to. Oh. All right, so that's my setup function. Looks like I need this a lot, right? Oh, very tired. Is there a creative way I could do this? I wonder if I can have a generic function to get the piece at a coordinate and say the range I could do it here. And then I wonder if this could simplify all this code. So the ones I'm really interested are here, right? Like, I do a lot of checks here, but I wonder if by moving the check to a helper function here, unless the entire range somehow it comes back as null, which I don't think it can, because we are going to end up on the position that is inbounds eventually, because we are passing in at least one valid position. So I wonder if we could we did like, we could get rid of these, get rid of this, get rid of this. Here, let's do, oops. Let's do this. Shoot. So why I think this might work. So now when we look at this stuff, it would be like, is this specific coordinate within the board? If it's not, return null. And if it is, return the piece. Instead of doing like, are the edges within the board, then check them all, I can just do one at a time. It reads a lot better, I think. It does waste some iteration here though. I assume that every time we do the in function, it's like looping. Although I don't know. Maybe it's a little bit smarter than that. I don't know. Find out tomorrow after we finish.